Hey everyone, Adam here at Fitness Together Burlington, and today I'm going to take us through how to stretch out your tight forearm. So the best way to set this up is you are going to go back of your wrist and hand onto the floor. From here, you can play around with rotating your upper arm bone either into internal rotation or into external rotation. If neither of those provide a big enough stretch for you, you can then always play around with bending that elbow in those rotated positions to help find lines of stretch coming down the forearm. You can also preferentially load one side of your wrist a little bit more than another, again adding just a little bit of bend into the elbow to help find a greater stretch. You want to make sure that you are avoiding any pinching sensations on the closing side of the wrist. So in this example, that would be in the side closest to me where my palm is facing up. I want to make sure that I don't have any pinching. Just want to make sure that I have a nice big stretch here. If I am finding pinching, I'm just going to lean myself forward out of that position slightly to ensure that I'm not doing any more harm than good. Again, this has been Adam here at Fitness Together Burlington.